Shenzhen Usbangel Technology Limited is an expert manufacturer in private and unique design consumer electronics in 8 years. Our main products are multi-function power bank, USB flash drive, and other electronics. Our factory have 10 employees are senior engineers of product design and development and mode design, QA, and security controls. We have kinds of equipment like aging machine, spot welder, flash copy ports machine, and other quality check machine. Our private and unique design products have CE, FCC, RODS certification. Also, we are the member of WPC, and our company have BSCI, ISO 9001 certification. We do quality products as our 5-fold quality check. The first is incoming materials quality check. The second is quality check in producing. The third is assembly quality check. The fourth is quality check in packing. Final is all quality check before shipping. So we are so confident to our product's quality. We do professional OEM and ODM for some famous brands in the world. Usually, we do silk screen printing, color printing, laser printing, and other special printing way can be supported also. Most of our clients are from North America and Europe. We also hope and welcome friends from all over the world come to visit. As our 8 years experience in producing and client service, you can trust us. Check the produce program. Start our cooperation.